O-Life began with a distinctive vision to create a cruise line experience unlike any other. Our guests embraced O-Life wholeheartedly as discerning, personal, and completely original. It's your world, your way. For our officers, staff, and crew, O-Life is simply second nature, and it always begins with a genuine, heartfelt smile.
I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of our captain and our general manager, and I wish you all bon appetit.
Thank you very much.
Of course, just about everyone will agree that O-Life is a series of perfect vacation moments, each carefully handcrafted into a cruise journey that exceeds your every expectation every time you sail. O-Life is the finest cuisine at sea, featuring irresistible dishes created by world-class chefs and inspired by famed celebrity chef Jacques Pepin.
Great food is always to be shared with the family or with a friend.
O-Life is a relaxing swim, followed by table tennis and a signature cocktail at Waves Bar, or an art lesson with an expert, or even an immersive learning experience at the only hands-on cooking school at sea.
All right, and then I'm going to take it up to a boil, and then I'm going to cover it and turn the heat down.
O-Life is a beautifully appointed suite or stateroom, one so inviting that you may just decide to dine in instead of out. O-Life is exploration and enrichment with wondrous shore experiences designed by our team of destination specialists. In fact, O-Life is everything you'd expect, from rejuvenating spa mornings to afternoon tea and culinary delights with new friends, to a romantic evening of celebration. It's also something unexpected, a superb cruise vacation value. That's because, unlike other cruise lines, guests aboard Oceania Cruises enjoy a host of complimentary amenities and benefits from the moment they decide to cruise with us, value that continues every step of their journey. Sophisticated style, intuitive service, and unsurpassed value. That's O-Life. It's an easy, comfortable way of traveling that clearly defines us. Join us for an unforgettable cruise vacation that's nothing short of masterful aboard Oceania Cruises.